So this is what I'm going to be making one of my own marinara sauce. First things first, I have in a sauce pot about medium to medium high heat. Let's put about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm using 6 cloves, has been already peeled and minced garlic. I'm going to throw it right in. I'm also going to be using 1 large white onion, has been already peeled and minced it, that I speed up this process with the food processor, that I pulse it together. You want to saute the garlic and the onion until it gets nice and softened. Just want to get moving all the way around. Go use it with a wooden spoon. Now, after it's translucent, we're going to plop into this can certified peeled tomatoes. These are the brand name with the Cento San Marzano that has only 28 ounce. I'm going to plop this tomatoes in. This is from the can. I'm going to break those peeled tomatoes. I'm going to use it with the potato masher. Get that masher very evenly. I'm going to show you what with the mashing for the tomatoes. You can use it with the hand blender that you have in the house. Tomatoes are mashed over. Then you're going to add some herbs. I am going to use it with 2 teaspoons of dry basil. You can use 8 basil leaves that you can roll it and slice it in. And I'm also going to be using 1.5 teaspoons of dry oregano. I'm going to keep stirring all the way around. I'm going to season it up with 3/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and ground black pepper. Just gonna keep stirring really good. Now we're going to cover it with the lid on. Just keep it a little open with the steams. Just watch it really careful. I'm going to make sure to lower the heat down because I don't want to get too splattered. After I slightly cover with the lid on, that allows the vent came out for the steams. Just a little bit, but don't cover all the way. That I lower it down, that I keep an eye on it. How they're looking for. I'm just going to keep stirring. Probably almost getting to it. And look how these of those marinara and the garlic stews here with the onions and the herbs. And once that's done, it will be ready to serve it with this pasta, or you can make one for your favorite pizza. I'm going to try one for this pasta. And always remember, don't forget to remove from the heat after you're done. I like to serve this with my favorite pasta. I'm going to ladle the marinara sauce. Give you nice presentations. And look at that one. Isn't that great? And here's the finished marinara sauce. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Make sure to view always watch for shares. Subscribe my channel. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. Always remember to smash the like button. As always, bon appetit.